Hi guys, sorry about the bad lighting. It's at night, but I really wanted to remind you guys before this video started about the link in the description box below. We have 25% off on all the PrepAgent bundle packages, whether it's premium, basic, or deluxe. Our program will help give you the confidence so you're ready to pass your national and/or state real estate exam. Hi, this is Joe from PrepAgent. I'm going to talk to you about 4 different types of leases that you should know when studying for your real estate exam. What they are the percentage lease, gross lease, net lease, and the sandwich lease. The first is the percentage lease. The percentage lease is when you pay an amount based upon the amount of money you got coming into your business, the amount based upon your gross receipts. You're literally paying a percentage of the money you're taking in. That's a percentage lease, and it's more common with commercial properties. Another one that's common with commercial properties is the net lease. Very often you hear triple net. That means the tenant pays taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Triple net, taxes, insurance, and maintenance. A gross lease is the one that's more common with your residential properties. That's where the tenant just pays the fixed amount in rent. So that's a gross lease, just a set amount, and it's more common when you see your average residential rental. Some of you may have heard the term sandwich lease, some of you have not. If you've never heard the term sandwich lease, don't worry about it. It's just a fancy way of saying subletting. The lessor is also the lessee. And what that means is you rent a property, and then you rent that same property to somebody else. That's a sandwich lease. It's also just known as subletting. So just to review, you have a percentage lease, a net lease, a gross lease, and a sandwich lease. Percentage lease, you're paying based upon amount of money coming in, a percentage of the money coming in. A net lease is when the tenant's paying for things like tax, insurance, and maintenance. The gross lease is when you're paying a fixed amount of rent. The sandwich lease is just another way of saying subletting, where the lessor is also a lessee. They're renting out the property they are renting themselves. This is Joe from PrepAgent, and I hope that helps. Bye.